This video is just for education purpose.
Hey traders, welcome back to this new video. Good news to my community members who follows me on YouTube, Telegram, X, Instagram. You know I host giveaways every week about 2x 5k funded challenge from Blue Guardian. Last week I was hosted the regular giveaway. If you browse my channel, and here you will see the last video, 2x 5k giveaway. In this video, I will draw this giveaway, pick 2 winners, each will get a 5k funded challenge from Blue Guardian. So many people participated this giveaway. Here you can see some people asking me on my Telegram that when I will draw. I was about to draw this giveaway last Friday but can't manage time for it. So today is the off day. So that's why I am going to draw this giveaway today. People commented here, you are a scammer. And from my community answered his comment. Here you can see, bro, he's genuine. I got an account as a giveaway previously. Of course I am genuine, and I gave so many accounts to my community members as a giveaway from different prop firms. So not to be worried. If you are a winner, you will get the account if you follow the rules and the instructions to claim the account. So for that, please join my Telegram channel to instant update and all the instructions to claim the giveaway account. And here you can see a guy commented on this, just add. I read the FAQ of the Blue Guardian instant starter and found out you can only withdraw a maximum of $225, 90% of $250, after which the account will be closed permanently. Please help confirm. And I replied, not at all. Some guys have gotten over $300 paid from the starter account, and yes, it's a one-time account. So I will show you the proof that many people got payout over $300. So for that, I will go to Blue Guardian's X handle and scroll down a little bit. Here you can see from $10 to $300. Congratulations, it was a starter account. The guy bought this account by $10 and he got paid $300. And see more. Here you can see another one from $10 to $322 and fast payout. So this is another starter account. He bought the account by $10 and got paid $322. Here you can see. And also I made a shorts. If you go to my channel and click on the shorts, here you will see from $10 to $322 payouts, and I attached another people payouts proof in the shorts as well. You can check it out. And there have some criteria to trade on starter account. Here you can see the price is $10. And your each and every trade must hold at least 2 minutes, mainly the winning trades. Otherwise the profit will be deducted from your total profits. This rule is not applicable for the losing trades, and you have to maintain the 15% consistency score as well. You can do martingale hedging, no lot restrictions as well. So you can trade here freely. There is no restrictions. You can hold overnight, over the weekend. That's it. I will attach this prop firm link and the maximum discount code in my video description. If you are interested, please check it out. And you can see here is crazy offer going on, up to 45% off plus 200% refund discount is here. MT5 trade locker and mass trader available. Instant payout for instant funded, 200% refund. You can try it. So act fast before disappearing this offer and enjoy limitless prop firm trading experience here. I will attach this prop firm link and the maximum discount code in my video description. If you are interested, please check it out. Let's draw the giveaway and select 2 winners. I am recapping. The criteria was I threw some clues randomly in the entire video. You have to like this video, subscribe this channel, and find the clues, write down in the comments. So there was 4 clues. A few people figure it out. So I will select 2 winners who followed all the criteria and figure out the 4 clues. Otherwise I will never select the guy. For that I will use a online tool called YouTube comment picker. If you are selected but not followed the criteria, I will reject you and draw again. So copy the video URL and go to the comment picker and paste the URL here. Here you can see 19 comment has been found, and I will select 2 winners, pick the winners. Here you can see there is 2 people selected, but I will pick this one because he followed all the rules and figure out all the clues. So I am copying his username. We got 1 winners. The clues was SFX funded review, cheapest instant funding, try Aqua offer, best prop from 2026, and select another. Here is another one. So I'm copying his username. So I got 2 winners. Congratulations winners. I will reply on your comment that you are a winner, and you please join to my Telegram channel and knock me here for the further instruction how you claim the account from Blue Guardian. So see you in the DM. But regrets for them who picked as a winner but rejected due to not following the rules properly. So better luck next time. Next giveaway next week, probably this Monday or Tuesday, I will post another video of another giveaway. If you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. If you are not in my Telegram channel, please join to my Telegram channel to get instant update. And also you can follow me on X. I also host some big giveaway on X as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.